Welcome back. Fanhome, gone in 60 seconds. Eleanor, 67 Mustang build. We're on issue book 4. Kit pack 11, 12, 13, 14. We're going to be working with that door, the driver's side door, and looks like our passenger side seat back in this one. This box also did contain the first binder. First step, we're going to take this plastic window assembly here. Mine has a nice scratch across it right there. Thank you for that, Fanhome. Take your driver's side door panel, and it's going to go something like this. Yeah. Some DS06 screws. Just snug them down. You don't want to break this plastic here. Alright, metal hinge piece, and this bracket is up next. This little hinge piece here does have a slanted edge, an angled edge. Once again, the instructions are pretty substandard. It's just all pictures. However, from the pictures it looks like you want it oriented this way. If I can do this right. Yeah, oriented this way. This slots in right here. So make sure that angled edge goes towards the front of the door. Then we just take our bracket looking piece here. The larger end is going to fit over that area just like that. We're going to secure this in place with one DS02 screw. Yeah, something like that. This kit, pack 11 here, is done. Next up, kit 12. Got a plastic door panel here, the door handle and mechanism or whatever. This black plastic piece. Inside here you're going to see a little slot, and this guy is going to fit right in there like that. We're going to secure it with PS08 screw, and that's kind of tricky. Okay, that sucker just still, I don't know what the point of that is yet, but I have a feeling next step, okay, next step, flip your door panel over, and we actually need to feed this door handle up through there. So you got a slot there, feed it up through there, set this in place. That's really what's going to hold it. Secure with 2 PS04 screws. These are so tiny. Run them to contact, just a little snug on them. Probably hard to see, it was all black on black, but there we go. That guy does operate. This kit 12 is complete. Kit 13, more with the door panel. First step, window handle crank handle, window crank handle. Goes in right here. Now there is a little keyway. This thing doesn't free rotate, so line up your key like this. Hold it on this side, flip it over. It's held with one of these little baby PSO4 screws. Yeah, baby screw. Let's get that snugged. That's a little loose still. There we go. Now bottom trim. Bottom trim goes like in like that. 2 posts, flip that over. It's held with, what are these? PSO5. It's a little bit bigger. Everything's plastic, so just be careful. Run them down to contact. Just a little snug on them. I don't want to break anything at this stage, I don't think. Ooh. There we go. Alright, next up, got 2 posts on the back of this panel. We're going to place it on the door, line these posts up. Doesn't really snap in, it just sits there. Okay. 2 DSO2 screws right here. One here. I don't know if you can even see that, but there we go. That one started. Feels snug. Another DSO2 on this side. There we go. Snugged. Yep. All right. Next up, okay, little cover trim here. So we got a couple of, or let's see, 1, 2, 4 little like pop bracket pieces. How does this fit? Like this. Looks like we need to duck it under our door handle though. Pull out on this door handle. Pull out, push in. Get it in there. There we go. Really, this shows, doesn't really show much here. Just gonna push that in. Push that in. Alright, well, we got it. And that is tight. This door handle piece is tight. There we go. Okay, so that swings down better. Alright, a little jicky. I don't know if I even had that on camera. I was up close with my noggin. But that's just a press and fit. You just got to pull out on that door handle carefully to get this trim panel back. And this is done. Kit 13 complete. Last but not least in this issue, Kit 14. We'll put the bottom cushion on our passenger side seat. Okay, take the seat cushion part, and we're going to actually, let's see here, it's going to go like that. So we're going to dip this underneath, let that seat bar fit right in there. Take the seat bottom, got the groove cut out for that bar. Place it on. Oops, slip this. Actually, slip that underneath the front of the cushion there. Okay, I'm making this harder than it needs to be. There we go. Like that. Now we have 4 PSO5 screws to install. It shows to do a diagonal pattern. I don't know if it matters. Snug them in. Going into plastic now. Don't have to over tighten it. Just snug them in. Last one. Ah. There we go. One passenger side seat back. And kit 14 is complete. That brings us to the last event here. Let's look at the ladies in the back. Alright, we got Ellen. 98 Mercedes-Benz 600 SL. We got Shannon. Ooh. 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. I like Shannon. That's it for the ladies this time. Issue 4 is in the history books. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more if you want. Boom.